Hey folks, Mark here. Today I wanted to talk to you on a quick tip about colors and adjusting your colors in Photoshop in an easy and quick way so that you have good color balance in your photographs. I'm going to take a picture here and open it up in Camera Raw and show you in Camera Raw how to adjust your colors quickly and easily. So I have a picture of a bird in the backyard here. I'm going to go ahead and crop it so that we can focus in on the subject a little bit better. And there we have our subject, and we have a green background, we have some browns and blacks, we have whites and another brown color here. So let's go ahead and adjust this guy so that we make sure that the green is really green and the brown is really brown and the white is really white. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my basic adjustments. I'm going to take my saturation and I'm going to boost it all the way up to 100%. And then I'm going to go to my temperature slider and I'm going to adjust my temperature slider to adjust my temperature so that the picture appears correct in color, not too blue, not too yellow. And still a little yellow there. I think at temperature 5400 we've got a good balance. So I'm going to take and adjust my saturation slider back down to 0. And now I'm assured that all of my colors are correct and my temperature is good here and I don't have any casting of different colors. This is a slightly better way of doing your white balance, and it's an interesting way to make sure that the colors you want in the picture are correct as far as color grading. So there you have it, folks. That's your 2-minute tip for today.